Hi, this is the Data Manager installation video, the first one in the series. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can install the Data Manager, purchase the licenses for it, assign the domains for particular licenses, and make it all work together. So first thing you want to do is access the www.bestdatamanager.com. This is the website for the Data Manager, and on the main page of the website, first thing you want to do to get the Data Manager is register. Just fill in the form here, click register button. After that you get a email with activation link. After you activate your account, you are able to log in on the main page. So let's log into our demo account here. Just click login. You will see a main page of your account. On this page you can download the latest Data Manager version, you can purchase new licenses, you have basic installation instructions, and you have a list of purchased licenses and assigned domains. When you create a new account, you won't see any licenses purchased here because it's just a new account. But to purchase licenses, what you should do is just choose the quantity of the licenses, 2 or 3 or whatever. After that, just click purchase and you will be redirected to the PayPal page where you can pay for the licenses. After that, you can just go back here and download the Data Manager. So let's download it. We're downloading the package. After that, we can just go to the backend of our Joomla instance where we want to use the Data Manager. So let's go to extensions, install, choose the package for the Data Manager, install it. Okay, now we have the Data Manager installed and you can see the icon here. But when you click the icon for the first time, you probably gonna see one of two error messages. The first message is you might see is about the missing IonCube loaders. You should have IonCube loaders installed on your system in order to run the Data Manager. The second error message you will see is that you don't have a license for the Data Manager on this domain yet. So let's get the license for the Data Manager. I have 2 purchased licenses here, so let's just use one of this and assign the domains for it. In order to do that, we need to copy the domain name for the website we're gonna use the Data Manager. I've got the Data Manager demo domain name here, and we have a live domain and development domain. So let's just assign it to development domain and click save. Okay, now we can see the download license near the license we just assigned the domain to. What we do is just download the license, save it to some location. After that, you can use your FTP manager or just a file manager if you're running the local copy of your Joomla to copy the license to Data Manager path. This is from your Joomla root path is administrator, components, com Data Manager. And you just copy the license and that's it. Let's refresh the page and we can see that Data Manager is up and running. So that's it. This is the Data Manager installation. Now let's create the simple component for the Data Manager. Let's manage some of the tables. We're gonna click the new component. We're just gonna call it new component because we don't really know what it's gonna do. And we can see that the new controller button appeared near it, so let's click it. What we're probably gonna manage in this demo is we're just gonna choose one of the Joomla tables. For example, JAWS menu types. This is the table where Joomla stores all the menus which exist in the system, and it's pretty simple, so we're just gonna choose it. In the type, we're gonna type menu types. Parent component will be the only component we have so far, and in the tables menu we're just gonna in the tables combo box we're just gonna choose the table we wanna manage and choose menu types and click save. The next step you need to do in order to manage the data is assign the fields. We're just gonna click the edit fields icon near the controller, and you will see the fields from the table, from the database. And what you do is you just assign the type for it. ID field is automatically assigned to key field, which is a key field for the items in the table. The basic field for different fields, the basic type is input. It's just a simple input box. What we're probably gonna do is just leave it for menu type and title, and change the field type for description to text area, or you can choose the WYSIWYG if you want. So let's click apply, and we see that the data manager assigned the titles for each field. Let's do one more thing, is assign the title is as a link to item view, which means that we can click this title and will be redirected to some particular item. So we're done with this. We just click save here, and there is two ways for the data manager to manage data from the table. You can click a link manage data from the data manager main window, or you can see that the new component and new controller appeared in the components menu. You can do either this or that. So let's just click it. And we see that we are able to see the items in this table. And I would say more, we can edit them. When we click this particular item, we can manage some data. We can type different things, click save or apply if you want to just save the data, and close it. So that's it. This is the installation and the basic component demo video. Thanks for watching and good luck.